This year Safaricom is the technology partner of choice for MKO. For this partnership, we've given 6 million to support the players. Additionally, we have connectivity which through our cell on wheels, and what we want to ensure is that everyone will be able to stream the games live. No one will be left behind, and we have data bundles that will also enable the streaming to take place.
Safaricom this year is coming as a technology partner where they'll be providing Wi-Fi for all our players and spectators. This is not only on the golf course but also on our Kifaru village, where spectators are also invited to come on the golf course from the village. All this will be thanks to the cell on wheels that will have been provided by Safaricom.
Nayo draw ya bere ya